Nice. Go right back in.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. In this video, I'm going to show you the #1 MITTWORK drill to build shoulder endurance in boxing. 1, 2. Drop that back foot. Hi, my name's Glenn Holmes. I'm the co-owner of the Box and Burn Academy, the world's #1 boxing fitness education course, and I'm the founding trainer here at Box and Burn in Los Angeles. So what we're doing here in this drill is I'm holding his gloves and pushing down, creating tension, right? So he can really sit into his legs. Not only is he sitting into his legs, he's building that lower body endurance, but it's great for really building that shoulder endurance because they're switched on the whole time, right? So while I'm holding him, I'm trying to force the gloves away from the face, he's keeping them up, forcing good habits, and as soon as I release, he's going to throw an uppercut, left hook. Now the combination can be whatever you want it to be, right? I'm just giving him a simple 2-punch combination that would be realistic if we were in this position in boxing, right? Because I'm in close, and as soon as that he feels that tension release, he's going to fire the uppercut hook, right? Which is a good inside combination there. But the point of this drill is to really build that shoulder endurance. So as the coach, make sure you're pushing down, give a good amount of tension, really try and get those gloves away from his face. I'm pushing out, you feel that, right? Shoulders should be on fire right here. Now from there, he's in his legs, he's in a good position to explode. As soon as I release that tension, I want him to throw the combination. Boom, boom. Good. So it's not only building the shoulder endurance right here and forcing him to stay in that good defensive position, but it's forcing him to react quickly as soon as he feels the opening too, which is crucial in boxing. So as soon as the tension's released, he's just going to react explosively with the 2-punch combination. Go. Yeah. I'm not telling him when to throw that, he's just going to throw it as soon as he feels the tension release from the gloves. So pushing down, trying to get the gloves away from the chin, pushing, creating tension, and then as soon as I release, good, he can explode into it. And it's really good because he's in a perfect position to explode from the legs. The uppercut's a great shot from the legs too. If you think about Mike Tyson throwing those powerful uppercuts and body shots, it's all coming from the legs, right? So this is a great drill for building that power and really driving through the legs into that uppercut too. So a couple of enhanced benefits other than the shoulder endurance to this drill. It's really great for building all of that. So just summarize on this, it's great for building that leg endurance and explosive reactive power with the combination, but definitely the best drill that I've found for building that shoulder endurance and really keeping your boxers honest on the hands up too. Nothing better than this for really building up that shoulder endurance. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. If you have any questions about this drill whatsoever, leave them in the comments, give me your thoughts and feedback. If you have any suggestions on good MITTWORK drills for building shoulder endurance, leave them in the comments as well. I'd love to hear what you've got as well.